Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2019 Yamaha XMax 300 motor scooter. Fuel injected, liquid cooling, electric start, automatic transmission. This 2-up 300cc motor scooter is good for a commute or touring around the bay. Gets you about probably 80, 90 miles per gallon. It's got the top case and a tall windscreen. Only 10,000 miles on this gorgeous Yamaha XMax 300. Come on by, make your scooter dreams come true for just $44.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. This scooter also has ABS brakes. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.